Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at problem 344, reverse string. This problem can be regarded as a follow-up for Leetcode problem 345, reverse vowels of the string. So this problem is a simplified version. So here we want to write a function that reverses a string. So the input string is given as an array of characters S. So notice that here, because the format is an array, so array is mutable, right? So we must do this by modifying the input array in place with O1 extra memory. So here is hello, and here is Hannah. So the constraints for this problem are the following. First, the length of this list is bounded below by 1 and bounded above by 10 to the power 5, right? So 10 to the power 5 is a decent large number. Secondly, SI is a printable ASCII character, right? So with this constraints went over. So let's look at the coding. So here, as we have visited problem 345, here we will write a quick two-pointer sliding window solution for this problem. So here, first, like in the previous problem, so let's get the length. This is just for our convenience. And then we're going to set the left pointer, the right pointer to be 0 and minus 1, right? This is standard. And then next is just a while loop. While left is less than right? So in this case, what we are going to do, because here we do not distinguish vowels or non-vowels, we just do the switch. So while left and less than right, so we're going to do is S left, S right, to be S right, and S left, right? So let we have done. Do not forget to update the indices. So left incremented by 1 and right decremented by 1, right? So that's it for this problem, because we are doing in place operation without any return. So now let's look at the test. So yeah, it passes the first example. So we can check the second example by copying this one and put it here, and then run the code. Yeah, it passes the second example. Now let's do the full test case check. Yeah, it passes all the generic cases. So this problem is another standard practice of the two-pointer sliding window trick. So with that said, I guess that's about it for this follow-up question. Thank you.